Got some more done on this trailer. I couldn't really film doing this because kind of got evicted out of my house and had to move out in a hurry, so had to cobble this shit together. But see, I got my beams up there, and this is going to be the top of the deck right here, so that my decking boards are going to be recessed 1.5 inches so that they come to level with that. Decided to make it a semi-trailer rather than a gooseneck because I figured this thing's gonna be awful heavy, and got this thing laying around. It was just sitting there rusting, so I thought I'd put it to use, pulling that trailer. Put some more I-beams here for my cross sections. This plate here is going to be the 5th wheel hitch plate. So I'm going to either find a kingpin somewhere or machine one out on a lathe, weld that on there. That's what's going to hitch to the truck. That's going to mount right here in the center. 2 of those big I-beam sections, going to drop that down there. Got some of my I-beams here cut. These are going in the center there on 2-foot spacings. That's pretty close, but figure overbuilding is better than building it too light. Man, I should have been more careful when I was throwing that barrel in here. Get the oil filter housing out of that Massey there, and you don't want to get dirt in these because it'll screw things up. Problem solved. Another reason to keep your work area clean: you don't want to set shit on fire. Got the top of this one welded in all nice and minty. Now I'm just realizing that barrel stuck in there. And my jack maxed out right now, so I can't raise the trailer anymore. Guess I'll have to put another jack under there. when you get done watching these videos, the next video that YouTube's going to shove in your face is probably going to be Chucky 2009 talking about how it's not a good idea to build trailers to sell. There's not much profit there. And he's right about that. When you get through buying all these materials new and consider your time and labor in it, you're not looking at a whole lot of return there, if any at all. But for me, I got these I-beams from the guy back there getting rid of his double wide. He's burning it down and getting rid of these beams, so I got them at a discount. And other stuff like these axles here I got off Craigslist for $300. That's pretty cheap for a set of semi-axles. Yeah, my hydraulic dovetail I'm gonna build, I'm getting the cylinders for that off a old combine, so that's basically free. The only parts of this trailer that I'm buying new are the beams here, or the main stringer beams, and possibly the decking boards. These stringer beams cost me $2,700. That's gonna be the most expensive part of this whole trailer. But I'm debating whether to buy the decking boards new or get some used ones. I know I can get some used ones pretty cheap, but I might want the trailer to look a little nicer, so I might just go with the new decking boards, which I estimated I can deck this whole trailer, including the dovetail and the top there, for a little over $600. So that's not too bad. I don't expect to have more than $4,000 in this trailer when it's all said and done. I mean, I still got to go through these axles here, make sure the bearings are good, put oil in the hubs, and do some brake work, make sure the dynamite cans are good and the pads, and put new air hoses on. You can see those are cut, and new hydraulic lines, new wiring, new lights. But when the trailer's done and I only got $4,000 in it, obviously I got labor in it too, and I have a brand new trailer, basically with new hoses and everything, I'd say that's a pretty good deal for me, especially since I don't plan to sell it. I plan to use it. So I just wanted to let you know what my situation is before you go saying I'm an idiot, which I probably still am an idiot, but that's a whole nother question. So